You take it. Yeah, look like Marty drive past her, but she never said nothing to me. Cause I see the lady I look for me, you know, but never said nothing. So let me see if she this. Hey, yeah.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm 673.
I saw you looking at me, you know. I didn't. You cold? Are you hot?
No, cold.
Cold? Ah, let me take it off.
Sure.
Yeah. Go back at the back.
I'm good, thank you.
Alright, peeps. Reverse out, that's what you know. But just finished the trip and I got another one while I was in this trip. So when I'm done do what I do, I'm gonna show you an update. Complete this. If I go all the way to, oh no. Oh, I have to go all the way down. Damn. Mrs. She look for me. Me I look for her, she look for me. I guess it was meant to be.
That is congested, but you actually can just pull up on this side.
On this side?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Yeah man, no problem. Water?
Yeah.
Let me.
Alright, thank you.
So let me just complete. Here's crossroads to then so yeah, my phone are dead right now. It's 1 o'clock. I'm just pause it for a little bit. Yeah. $485.78. $18.18. View the quick summary in 36 minutes, 2 trips. No tips, no promotions, nothing like that. Just pure fear. Alright? We'll take this. Yeah, so I'm gonna say good day. No, not good morning. Good day. I'm here. Think I see this. Yeah, man, I see, man. Hello.
The thing is 4183.
The boom, it's $806 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Get 8 bills. Rider, all that cute stuff. Boom. Yeah, so 1656. And mounted down here. It's not look cheap, but it's 3147. Complete, bro. Trip. Yeah, no, you know, so she just text me, but honestly, bro, you know, some other stuff I go. What? 600 meters? You know, afternoon on my way. Honestly, bro, where did I go? I was not going to continue this trip, but you're just 600 meters away. Me just go for your pound. Oh, she was texting me and I didn't know. Wait in front of the 426. She gave me 4. Well, yeah, she gave me 430. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'll complete this and then go to the other individual. Ask me if I still come. Malcolm. Yo, man, now like, I feel like the rain actually I try beat me up in the car, bro. Like, I feel like the rain I did us, I try to turn me up in so. Alright, peeps, just chop off bad bro at AC Hotel. Really cool guy. I really like the conversations we had. Can I fit shot? Am I too big? Yeah, I can't fit, man. I can't fit, believe. Yeah, let me clear off. It's currently 2:53. If I close off now, have some other obligations at 3. Like I said, my class, quote unquote class, was 12 to 3. So technically my mom thinks I'm done now. So I'm gonna head back to her right now. Pick her up, pick up my brother, and then we're gonna go home. That's it for me for today, guys. Hope you like the content. Continue with the hustling. Don't stop grinding. You're gonna make the food. You can also follow me for vending machine content and fruit distribution content. I have a nice series coming up of me actually growing the fruits business a bit more and the vending machine business. So if you're interested in that as well, just follow, subscribe, share with your friends who are interested in business development and you know, overall wealth creation, everything. So if you want to keep up with my life, cool little vlogs like this usually on a weekly basis. So yeah, later guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. And when you could remind me, whenever I ever show you how much money I make, how much money I make today. Let me pull over. Back it up in the rover. Let me just pull over around here, so. Hazard light. Let me just pull over real quick. So let me complete, bro. So far 2000. Well, not so far. We're done still. 153. Oh, you don't update it. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. No. You know update. Alright, update already. Oh yeah. Whoa. 1,000. Let me get that. 6 strips. $3,642. And 93 cents in 2 hours and 33 minutes. This is all fair, no promotions, no tips, and that's it for today. Yo, enough trip are coming still. I wish I had more time, but yeah, that's it for today, guys. As I said before, go and grind. Later. Bro, tell me why I feel like I'm on an obstacle course. Why am I on an obstacle course? Every day, every morning, every night. Like them can't do the little road, bro. Go until the car mash up.